bullnosing honed travertine silicone carbide. Bullnosing is simply rounding off the edge of a tile. To bullnose a honed travertine tile, begin from the bottom and gradually move up and around. It's a slow but simple process. Always keep the grinder moving, keep an eye on it, and get into a routine. The more you do it, the easier it gets. We begin with a 60 grit disc to shape the edge. Softer stone might require 120 grit. On normal size tile measuring 12 by 12, one disc will suffice. But on this larger piece measuring 18 by 18, you may need to use 2 sheets to finish the bullnose. The disc wears out, but the sheets are relatively inexpensive. This piece is suitable for going around a corner, and if you cut it off, you can use it as a base piece or any size bullnose piece you need.